Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where today we're all about pie, specifically chocolate mint prune pie from 1935's Modern Meal Maker by Martha Mead for the Sperry Flour Company. I'm participating in this year's Pieathalon, where all kinds of food bloggers get together and everyone submits a pie from a vintage cookbook, and then you're assigned a pie that someone else submitted. And my pie this year comes from Poppy at the Grannie Pantries blog. Definitely check that out. Chocolate Mint Prune Pie. There's a lot going on with this pie. I also made a cocktail that tastes a lot like the pie. We'll get into that in a little bit. But anyway, chocolate mint prune pie. Let me just grab my recipe real quick. You make a prune layer, which involves prune juice, gelatin, prune pulp, which I had never found or made prune pulp before, so I ended up making my own prune pulp, which was very easy, sugar and lemon juice, and whipping cream. So you make basically your prune gelatin, and then you fold in some whipping cream, and you put that in your baked pie shell. Then you're supposed to make a chocolate layer. And I made my chocolate. You use ground chocolate, brown sugar, flour, and scalded milk. I'd never scalded milk before either, so I'm learning all kinds of things with this pie. Then you're supposed to pour that on top, and it's supposed to form another layer. When I poured it on top, it just went right into my prune layer, so my chocolate and prune are mixed. And then you make a topping using whipping cream, mint, and sugar. And you just whip all that together, which I did. And now we have this chocolate mint prune pie, which we will try in a minute. But I also made a cocktail, a chocolate mint prune pie cocktail. To make that, all you do is combine 2 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce prune juice, 1/2 ounce chocolate liqueur, 1/4 ounce of mint liqueur. I used Giffard's Mint Pastille, and 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. So we're going to try the pie, and we'll try the cocktail, and we'll see how they compare. Okay, I have Paul here, and it's time to try the pie. Are you ready? Forks up.
I don't know, but I'm going to do it anyway.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, chocolate prune mint pie.
Difficult to get off the plate. Maybe that's self-describing. Surprisingly
That's good. It mostly just tastes like chocolate. It tastes like there's some sort of fruit, but I wouldn't say like, oh, that's prunes.
It tastes a lot like a chocolate pudding pie with a little bit of a flavor difference in there. If you thought about it, you'd say, oh, raisins? But you'd say, no, who would do that? Bizarre flavor combination. Yeah, we did that.
All right, this one's a winner. Even though the chocolate and the prune got all mixed up, it worked out.
I think the gelatin helps a lot in the recipe.
All right.
And the fact is,
now,
I think it would be fairly impossible to layer those flavors without spending several hours between.
Chocolate mint prune pie cocktail. I'm definitely getting more of the mint in the cocktail than I'm getting in this. I think there's not enough mint in this to really taste the mint, but I'm tasting all 3 of the flavors in my cocktail, if I do say so.
It actually implies that your cocktail is a little more accurate to the name than the original recipe, and one assumes these things were tested back in 1935.
Chocolate mint prune pie cocktail.
Who knows?
2 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce prune juice, 1/2 ounce chocolate liqueur, 1/4 ounce of mint liqueur. I used Mint Pastille. 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass.
You know, bizarrely, this combination works. If you name those things, you'd say, who the hell is going to put that in a cocktail? But you did.
It sounds weird, but it
and
works.
It's actually pretty good. So there we have it.
I think this has been a successful Pieathalon. Thank you to Yinzarella at Dinner is Served 1972 for inviting me to participate. And definitely check out her blog. It's fabulous. And join us here again on Monday for our live Mocktail Monday. Tuesday we'll have a new video, and Wednesdays we go live at 8 p.m. Eastern for a happy hour. So that's it from here at the Velveteen Lounge.
As always, folks, bizarre recipes are us, and we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.